everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is SAMARPITA and this is my first YouTube video, and I'm really excited to make this video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you all this makeup look which I have created. Basically it's a night saraswati puja makeup look. I hope you like it. So without further wasting any of your time, let's get into the video.
So before starting your makeup, you need to prep your skin really nicely. So here I'm using a moisturizer. This is a very lightweight moisturizer and I really like the formula. So this tip is really important before doing your makeup. And next I'm going to be using a primer. So primer makes our canvas really smooth and ये अपने pores को blur कर देता है. So do not skip this step. And next I'm going to be doing my eyebrow. So for my brow you don't need any specific kind of eyebrow product. You can do your brow by using the matte dark brown eyeshadow. So here I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow to fill my brows. And next I'm going to be doing my base makeup. For that I'm using a foundation. ये थोड़ा light shade का foundation है मेरे skin tone से. That's why I'm taking a dark concealer ताकि मैं अपनी skin tone के हिसाब से अपना shade match कर सकूँ. एंड इसके साथ में मैं थोड़ा सा लिक्विड हाइलाइटर मिक्स करूँगी बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट माई बेस लुक ग्लोई एट द सेम टाइम नेचुरल. Now I'm going to be using a light concealer to highlight the parts which I want to highlight. After that I'm using a compact powder to set my entire base makeup. Now I'm gonna do my eyes. So for my eyes I'm gonna keep it really simple. So for that I'm using a light brown eyeshadow which I'm using as my transition shade. After that I'm taking this champagne colored shimmer eyeshadow and ये मैं अपनी आंखों के बीच में लगाऊंगी. सो अभी मैं यहाँ पे एक आईलाइनर यूज़ कर रही हूँ बिकॉज़ आई हैव डिड अ वेरी सिंपल आई शेडो. सो अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक आईलाइनर ऐड करती हूँ तो ये लुक और भी ज़्यादा उभर के आएगा. And next I'm using a mascara. If you want you can add false lashes, but here I'm using mascara. Here I'm using a contour. I'm not gonna do my whole face contour, but I'm just gonna do my nose contour. And here comes my favorite part, blush. So here I'm using a Sugar Cosmetics blush and applying it to the apple of my cheeks. And मेरे को इस लुक में थोड़ा सा कमी लग रहा है, that's why I'm using a काजल. And now it's looking good. I am almost done with my makeup. Now I'm just gonna add in the highlighter for the glow. So for my lips, I don't want any heavy lipstick, so that's why I'm using a lip and cheek tint. And lastly, I'm going to be using the lip gloss.
That's it for today, guys. I hope you like this, and if you like this, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. So I see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.